Hey guys, welcome to Help Screen. And if you want to check who you recently unfollow on Instagram, just simply follow along. So first, of course, go to your Instagram application and go to your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen, and just simply go ahead and select the three lines on the top right corner. Now, here on the settings and activity, you could just simply go ahead and go for account center and go for your information and permissions. And from here, download your information and download or transfer information. Select your Instagram account and select next. And from here, I'm going to go for some of your information. Now, from here, let's scroll down a little bit until we see over here followers and following. And just simply select next. And from here, just simply go ahead and select download to device. And now just simply provide a date of a range over here, guys. Now tap on date range and just simply select the date range that you want to download. So let's say I'm gonna go for at least a year, select save. After that, just simply select create files and just simply wait for Instagram to process your information. Now guys, once it is available, you should be able to see here download. Tap on it, and from here just simply provide your Instagram password. And after that, it will redirect you to the downloads tab and tap on it. And from here you will have the extract. Tap on extract. So go ahead and go to connections, followers, unfollowed profiles over here. So tap on it, guys, to open it up, and just simply select just once. And let's see. And from here, we should be able to see who we recently stopped following. There you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like and thanks for watching, guys.